Hello! Good morning! It is day 3 here in Busan. We are going to go to Gamcheon Cultural Village. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. We're gonna head off there, and apparently I'm getting interviewed by Korean media. Don't know what that means, but I definitely know I have to brush up with my Korean. So without further ado, let's get started with the day. We're here at the tallest house in Gamcheon Cultural Village. Ha! I did it! It's also known as the Machu Picchu or Santorini of Korea. As you can see why. The houses are so closed in together, but it's absolutely beautiful. I have never seen anything like this. Well, that's not true. To be honest, sometimes I think the houses in RIMBA kind of look like this as well. All the houses have roofs that you can walk on top of, and if you can see very carefully, it is slightly curved. I don't know why. It looks really cool. The colors is just so bright and pastel. I think I could walk here for hours and get lost and still be completely fine with that because I'd have all the photos I need. Gamcheon Cultural Village was originally slums, but they decided to make it more beautiful. All these businesses here are local, and it's to support and continue Gamcheon as a cultural village. It's really great when the community comes together to make something amazing that so many tourists come and actually enjoy. If you see carefully around here, you will see so many different paintings all around the houses, and that's because local artists actually collaborated with the local community to work together to make it more beautiful and more aesthetic, as you can tell. And honestly, I think it worked out really well. We're off to the Busan International Film Festival area, which is basically a little bit like High Street in London or Exeter. Bunch of shops in one place, and I just want to walk around and experience it. I just did an interview with Korean media. I don't even know if it went well, I just know that it happened. It was about the ASEAN Rock Summit. Hopefully it went well. I don't even know when it's coming out or if it's ever gonna come out. But hey, at least I can say I was on Korean TV, right? I think Busan is a perfect blend of finding new activities, but as well as being very safe for children. And I think that's very good for Bruneians to see. We've got some time before we go on to our next location, so I think we're just gonna walk around and see what else there is to do here. Hello! We are here in the Busan Traditional Art Center. It's a beautiful place where we're gonna see all the beautiful art and design that Busan has to offer. We're heading to the largest shopping mall in the world. It's called Shinage. I hope I pronounced it correctly. You know I'm gonna be shopping. We are at the biggest shopping mall in the world. As you can see, it stretches from there all the way to right over there. Even further. You can't see it. That's how big it is. and then we went to Biff, and then we went shopping, and then I had an interview, and then we went to the fish market and ate, and then we went back to Biff, and then after that we went to, where did we go after that? Did we go here? No, we didn't. We went to Art Center.
Art Center.
And then after the Art Center we went here.
Yeah.
So, and then we had dinner. So it's like, it's been, but like I said, I didn't have much sleep last night. So it feels like one continuous day with just a nap in between. Are you recording?
Yes.
And that is the end of day 3. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Welcome to day 4 of our Busan trip. We're here at the 38.5 bakery. I'm a little full from lunch. We did a little quick video with Busan cooking class, but that will be up in a few weeks. Instead, we want to start off here, take it easy, and have some coffee first. There's a car behind me. See this view. Oh my goodness, my hair is a mess. But seriously though, do you see this view? We're currently up at the rooftop. I'm really sorry about the wind. We're gonna have to deal with it, but this view is absolutely amazing. I know I keep saying that. I know I just say, oh, this is absolutely beautiful, but it's true. Like, Busan is just so beautiful in and of itself. The people are so nice. The places we've been to are just so beautiful, and I just felt so safe. Like, this is the safest I've felt in a very long time, and it's surprising. Actually, it isn't. It's not surprising at all that sometimes I feel the safest when I am in another new place. I think that way you just feel a bit better about your choices, which I think a lot of us need to do sometimes. In case you couldn't tell, I did change my outfit because it's my last day here in Busan. I thought might as well dress up a little bit for the afternoon. It is actually kind of cute. I like it. We're currently here at the ASEAN Republic of Korea food street. Lots of nice food from Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, and of course, hopefully, Brunei. I can finally eat nasi katok. They're from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and they just wanted to take a photo of me in front of the ASEAN landmark to commemorate this event. They just came up to me really randomly and said, can we take your photo? It's like, sure, I guess.
Are you Miss Brunei?
No, there's no such thing as a Miss Brunei. 5 different people actually came up to me this week and asked, oh, you're Miss Brunei, right? You have such a very pageant vibe. And I was like, thanks, I think. I don't know, I feel very weird about being called Miss Brunei. Oh my god, Peppa is here!
Thank you, 감사합니다.
Hi, I want nasi katok.
Padas or biasa?
Biasa.
Biasa, alright.
Oh, how are you here?
We were invited by the Korean embassy. Yeah.
부산 그리고 경남 쪽을 보면은 부산구가 여러분들과 함께 만나보도록 하겠습니다. 큰 박수 부탁드리도록 할까요? 박수 크게 부탁드릴게요. 고맙습니다.
Alright, enjoy your nasi katok.
changed my outfit again. I think this is like my third outfit change, and that's only because we're going on a night tour. We're currently at Samyeon Street, I think, and we're gonna head off to our very last dinner here in Busan. We are currently here at the Bay 101. Because it says it right there. Apparently the parking lot is so beautiful to take photos. This is Busan at night, which I've never really experienced. I don't really go to countries with a nightlife. I usually just go for the adventure and just the act of freedom. Cities look very different at night. They feel more lively. But maybe I say that because I'm still 22 and like can still stay up at night. I think by the time I'm 23, I'm gonna start hating it. I feel like the more I think about it, the more I realize I am living a really cool life, and I really need to start appreciating it more. You know, being here in this whole new city that I've never been to and just enjoying it with such new people. I think I'm really lucky, and I know that I have to continue to be grateful for this. This is almost December. Hell, maybe if you're watching this, it's already December. And so much has happened in the past year. Right now, I am in Busan in November 2019, and next year in 2020, I don't know where I'm gonna be. I just hope it's good. Maybe I'll be back in Busan, who knows? I think the more I stay in a place that's foreign, I feel more grateful to be a part of Brunei. No matter how far I go, I do hope that I am the best Bruneian I can be, and that I could represent my country wherever I am. And I'm really lucky that I got to go to Busan and represent my country, both as a blogger and writer and this whole thing, as well as just myself. And I'll never stop wanting that. Besides, if I can have a view like this behind me while I'm still Bruneian, while I'm still representing my country, then I can do this for a while. Anyway, I think that's the end of the night. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah. Wait, no. Peace. Hi, post Busan Bash here. As you can tell, we're not in Busan. We're not even at the airport. We're in the cleaner part of my room. Cause the airport was messy and long and really tiring. Busan was interesting. It was really, really interesting. You know, I really thought it was gonna be like this super cool work trip where I got to take photos and film. And don't get me wrong, I did, but it was so much more than that. It was also just having fun and making new friends and genuinely just feeling great. Like, in case you couldn't tell for the past two videos, it was just so beautiful. The architecture, the culture, and most of all, it was really friendly. And I want to go back, I really do. It honestly did not even feel like 4 days. It felt like one day, and I just took short naps in between, because honestly I didn't sleep that much for many reasons. But the trip was so packed that I was so overwhelmed in the best way possible. Like, come on, I got to be interviewed by Korean TV. I got to do a cooking class, which will be up soon. And I just made really cool friends who are super chill and like way too cool to have friends like me, honestly. Also, I want to say thank you to Busan Tourism Organization for inviting me to the trip. Obviously, it was really, really great that we got to come and just enjoy ourselves. There will be more content coming up, particularly a giveaway and the cooking class, like I said. Anywho, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Bash Harry, and I'll see you soon. Bye! We're good. We're great. Bye!